beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 3. Today we are at some people's more favorable store, some people's favorite store, Target. So today we are in Target. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? So come on. Let's see what holiday gift items we can find in Target. Let's go. All right, so we're going to start with the deals that they have up front. They have these $3 candles, but don't buy these. Buy your candles from pjlcandles.com. Then they have like these ceramic Christmas trees that you can put around the house. Those are $5. Then they have some more trees. You can also put these like on your desk at work, you know, if you go to work. And then, you know, to get us started for 2023, they have like some super cute like planners and calendars. I did end up getting this one because I love white and I love gold and your big 2023 calendar. All right, y'all. Then they have the pajamas, your pajama sets, $10. $10 for your pajama sets. Y'all, Target has so many freaking pajama sets, y'all. So they were lacking in nothing. So many different color options, y'all. So many different color options, t-shirts. You have your socks, your $3 socks. Y'all know we can't go nowhere without our $3 socks. They're in every store. They also had some throw blankets, y'all, in this same section with the pajamas. And then I believe there were some tights and then those furry slipper socks, y'all. Then we have gloves. You can't go wrong with gloves. They have some really cute colored gloves. These are $5. I feel like they was $2 back in the day, but once again, inflation. Oh, and then you got your Mean Girls Christmas shirt. Y'all might want to wear that to a holiday party. That might be a good look, okay? Now, $22 is a little steep. Anyways, oh, y'all, these mugs are so cute. These mugs and cups are so cute. They have initials on them, and then they also have matching notebooks. Y'all, this is a $10 gift for somebody. Get them a cup and a notebook, and look at that gold around this notebook. Like, that's such a cute notebook. I might just give me one just to have it. And come on, like, it's $5. And there's so many different color assortments. Great gift. All right, here goes some more flows. The other flows were more like blankety. These are like the plush throws, which, you know, are like softer and warmer. Only $10. And look at all the color options that you have here. Then, of course, we got a load of Christmas shirts / sweaters for $15. You got your Grinch, you got your Charlie Brown, all types of different options. And then, okay, fluffy slippers. If you want your toes out, it's a good deal. Get some $10 slippers. All right, then, of course, look. Y'all, they helping us out with gifts. They have a $5 gift section. Get somebody some hair clips. Their hair always in their face. Get them some hair clips. That's a great gift. Because you know why? They're going to use it. It's a useful gift. They have headbands. They have more headbands, like the soft headbands, which are super cute. I really love that burgundy color. Scrunchies. All the hair supplies for anybody you know that needs a little fluff in their hair. Okay. So these pajama sets are cute, y'all. These shorts is like real cute. You have your top, you have your shorts, and then you have like your eye mask. And okay, yeah, it is $25, but look at how cute they are. Y'all know the cutest stuff is more expensive. And then I love like this teal color here. And then they also have, you know, your other basic pajamas with like a thermal shirt, which I like this flower print. That's actually really cute for somebody who likes that type of stuff. All right, y'all. Then you have your fluffy holiday slippers, okay? Merry, bright, all that. These are kind of cute, I guess. I mean, $20 for these. I don't know. You might want to go back to Walmart and get those. In section 2, which they have t-shirts as well. You got your Star Wars, you got your SpongeBob. What else is back here? Your cat with the bells on it. Your real cat might like that shirt, y'all. Don't get attacked by your real cat. $22, that's a little steep. You might want to go to Walmart for your men's shirt. Then your pajama pants. Okay, you have all different types of cartoons. Why are those pajama pants for 21 years and up? Anyways, you have your snow pants. What is that? I don't even know what character that is, y'all. I don't know all these characters. You got your pizza. This is somebody who's kind of geeky. Then you got your peanut. You got your peanut pajama outfits and some other stuff. Anyways, here we go. This is what they got for men. I don't remember how much they are. Here we go. How much are these, y'all? Ooh, okay, a little high. Nonetheless, more Christmas decor. Y'all, these socks are so cute. The Mr., Mrs., and Little, that's cute. If you're just a family of 3, I think that's like super, super cute. Or someone who just had like a baby, I think that would be a really, really great gift. Then we cannot forget about the pets. We have outfits for your pets too. $10. Y'all know that one friend. Get that for their pet. And then, of course, they have so much Christmas decor. If y'all need stockings, look at all these options. If y'all need stockings, go to Target right now, and get you some stockings for $15 and other tree decor. That white tree is really, really pretty. Anyways, y'all, Target got a lot of options for Christmas decor. Going back to necessities, sometimes you just need to buy people a box of cereal for their family. Maybe 2 boxes. It's $4.69. It's a family size. We got different options, okay? And they all Christmas themed. Okay, y'all, so I found like these cute storage baskets. I think these are like really, really cute to put. Maybe like you could put like some holiday candy in it. Or maybe like if you're playing games and you want people to pick a card, like this would be like a really, really cute basket. Now, I found more throws. Now, y'all, there are throws all over the store at this point, okay? Look at all these options for throws. There's no reason to not be warm this holiday season. And they also have sheet sets as well, holiday sheet sets. I didn't know people do that, but you learn something new every day. All right, y'all, this is my rich housewife gift, okay? Now, I am excited to be a housewife because this is what I'm going to have. I'm going to just have random stuff like mini waffle makers. You come over my house and I got mini waffles for everybody. Okay, mini waffles for everybody. Super, super cute. Then you got your wish, your cup, and all that. And then more mug options. Feliz Navidad. Y'all was tired. There was a lot going on in Target. Then you have your gingerbread houses. So these are really like fun activities like for kids, for couples, for like friend groups. I would definitely suggest this as a good activity, a bonding activity, and a creativity activity to build like some gingerbread houses. Okay, so we're back with the hair kits. Okay, we are getting you hair kit ready as a gift. Sometimes you got to send people signs, right? Get them, their hair been suffering, get them a hair kit, okay? And now we have like cute little stocking stuffers. Okay, we love some exfoliating gloves, a roller for your face, like some eye masks, some exfoliating feet mask, and your loofahs. Okay, the tree hat. Yeah, I can vouch. These sugar scrubs are bomb. That's a great gift for somebody. Then we have our $15 and under section. They are really helping y'all with these gifts that are, that are within the budget, okay? They are sectioning out the things that are affordable, okay? Now we have candles. Once again, we're ignoring these candles and we're getting our candles for pj@candles.com. Some people, you just want to get them a card. You just want to get them a nice card. Sometimes that's all some people need as a gift. It's just a card. So these are really cute cards. I think $7 is a little high for a card, but that's neither here nor there. And of course, for your little girls, you have some nice holiday t-shirts they could wear to school. Here's what we learned shopping at your favorite store. That them and Walmart are pretty neck and neck with items. There's a bit more of a variety at Target. And of course, the shopping experience is just feels better. It feels better. The things that are on display look better. The prices are almost the same. Target does have a bit more of higher priced items, but they ain't that much higher than Walmart. So you have your moderately priced items at Target, which are the same as the moderately priced items at Walmart. So there's not too much of a big difference there. I guess it's all about your preference in terms of shopping. And I feel like Target, in terms of like their clothing, their pajama sets and stuff, I feel like they do have a bit more of higher quality options. Even like with their slippers and stuff, they just like felt better in terms of like materials. So, that's the difference between Target and Walmart. It's up to you where you want to get your stuff from. If you want to have a little Starbucks sippy sip drink while you shopping, you might want to go to Target. If you know you're going to go to the Starbucks drive-thru ahead of time, go ahead and go to Walmart. You'll still have a Starbucks sippy sip drink while you shop. It's all up to you. This is the end of today's Vlogmas Chronicles. Make sure y'all tune in tomorrow. To see whatever holiday themed vlogs I got cooking up for y'all. All right, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And hey, comment below. Do you prefer Target or Walmart? Let me know. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.